Hello travelers! Hello travelers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that everyone loves, budget travel. Specifically, we'll be sharing 10 essential tips on how to explore Europe without breaking the bank. So if you're ready to discover how to see the best of Europe on a budget, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. 1. Plan and book in advance. Our first tip is to plan and book in advance. This includes reserving your flights, accommodation, and major attractions as early as possible. The earlier you book, the better the deals you'll find. Airlines and hotels often offer lower prices several months ahead, giving you more options to choose from. Early booking not only helps you secure better rates, but also ensures availability, especially during peak travel seasons. Additionally, booking attractions in advance can save you both time and money, as many places offer discounted rates for early reservations. By planning ahead, you can create a detailed itinerary and budget, allowing you to allocate funds appropriately and avoid last-minute expenses. This foresight helps in identifying potential cost-saving opportunities, such as bundled deals or special promotions. Moreover, early planning gives you ample time to research and compare different options, ensuring you make informed decisions that suit your travel style and budget. Another benefit of early booking is the peace of mind it brings. Knowing that your essential travel arrangements are taken care of reduces stress and allows you to focus on enjoying your trip. In essence, thorough planning and early booking are foundational steps to maximizing your travel experience while staying within your budget. 2. Use budget airlines. Next, consider using budget airlines for your flights. Europe is home to a variety of low-cost carriers like Ryanair, EasyJet, and Wizz Air. These airlines often provide significant savings compared to traditional carriers. However, keep an eye out for extra fees such as baggage charges, seat selection, and priority boarding. To maximize savings, book early, travel light, and be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Always read the fine print to avoid unexpected costs, and consider traveling during weekdays when flights are usually cheaper. 3. Travel by train and bus. Trains and buses are fantastic options for budget travel within Europe. Companies like Flixbus and Eurail offer affordable and comfortable travel options across the continent. While trains can be more expensive, booking in advance and using rail passes like the Eurail Pass can significantly reduce costs. The Eurail Pass allows unlimited travel within a set number of days, making it an excellent choice for those planning to visit multiple destinations. One strategic tip is to use overnight buses and trains. This not only saves on accommodation costs, but also maximizes your daytime hours for exploring new places. By traveling at night, you can cover long distances while you sleep, arriving at your next destination refreshed and ready to explore. Always compare different travel options and book ahead to secure the best deals. Early booking can often get you significant discounts, making these modes of transport even more budget-friendly. Additionally, consider flexible travel dates and routes to take advantage of the best prices available. 4. Stay in hostels or budget accommodation. Accommodation can be a significant expense, but staying in hostels or budget accommodations can cut costs dramatically. Hostels offer not only lower prices, but also a chance to meet other travelers. Websites like Hostelworld and Booking.com allow you to compare prices and read reviews. Alternatively, consider staying in budget hotels, guest houses, or vacation rentals like those on Airbnb. Opting for places with kitchen facilities can also save you money on food. Some hostels even offer free breakfast or communal dinners, which can further stretch your budget. 5. Explore free and cheap attractions. Europe is packed with free and affordable attractions. Many cities offer free walking tours, museums have discounted or free admission days, and historical sites often have lower entrance fees. Take advantage of local parks, public squares, and festivals. Research ahead of time to find free or low-cost attractions and activities, and don't hesitate to ask locals for their recommendations. Exploring these options will give you a rich experience without a hefty price tag. Additionally, many cities offer free maps and guides at tourist information centers to help you navigate. 6. Use public transportation. Using public transportation is one of the best ways to save money while traveling. Instead of taxis or car rentals, rely on buses, trams, and metro systems. Many cities offer travel passes or multi-day tickets that can be more economical than buying single tickets. Public transport is not only cheaper, but also provides a more authentic experience of local life. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the local transportation options and routes to make your travel smoother. Apps like Google Maps or City Mapper can be incredibly useful for navigating public transit. 7. Eat like a local. Eating out can quickly add up, but there are ways to enjoy delicious food without spending a fortune. Avoid touristy restaurants and opt for local eateries, street food vendors, and markets where you can enjoy authentic and affordable meals. Many cities also have budget-friendly food festivals or food trucks offering tasty options. Try shopping at local markets and preparing your own meals if your accommodation allows. It's a great way to experience the local cuisine and save money. Also, look out for lunch specials or set menus, which are often cheaper than dinner options. 8. Use discount cards and passes. Many European cities offer discount cards or city passes that provide access to multiple attractions at a reduced price. These passes often include public transportation and discounts on tours or dining. Research what's available in the cities you're visiting and consider purchasing these passes if you plan to visit several attractions. They can save you money and streamline your travel experience, making it easier to explore more without overspending. Be sure to calculate whether the pass is worth the price based on your itinerary. 9. Travel off-peak. Traveling during off-peak seasons can make a significant difference in your budget. Peak tourist seasons, like summer and major holidays, often mean higher prices for flights, accommodation, and attractions. Traveling during shoulder seasons or off-peak times can offer lower prices and fewer crowds. Research the best times to visit your destinations to take advantage of lower costs and a more relaxed travel experience. You'll also find that popular tourist spots are less crowded, making your visit more enjoyable. 10. Use travel apps and websites. Lastly, make use of travel apps and websites to help manage your budget. Apps like Skyscanner for flights, Booking.com for accommodations, and Rome to Rio for transportation can help you find the best deals. There are also apps that offer discounts on dining, attractions, and activities. By utilizing these resources, you can compare prices, find deals, and make informed decisions to keep your travel costs down. Additionally, joining travel forums and groups on social media can provide insider tips and advice from fellow budget travelers. And there you have it, 10 essential tips for exploring Europe on a budget. We hope these ideas help you make the most of your trip without overspending. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Got any budget travel tips or experiences of your own? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy travels!